A penalty of death by firing squad for corrupt public officials is being proposed at the House of Representatives under House Bill 11211, authored by Zamboanga City 1st District Representative Kaimer Adan Olaso. The penalty will be imposed on officials convicted by the Sandigan Bayan for graft and corruption, malversation of public or public funds, and plunder. But the conviction should first be affirmed by the Supreme Court, has undergone mandatory automatic review process, and all legal remedies available exhausted by the accused before the execution is carried out.
Kawawa yung taong bayan, kawawa yung Pilipinas. If we will continuously support these rotten politicians, kaya sabi ko, my point of view, it's about time to to put a stop on this, na magkaroon ng pangil yung ating gobyerno to really put a stop sa mga korupsyon na nangyari sa ating bansa by putting on this bill. Sabi ko, it will put a stop right away. Kasi ang tao, pag malaman nila may baril, syempre natatakot lahat Sino ba naman gusto magpapapiring squad, diba? Nevertheless, ayaw ng ating kababayan yan. Kaya they will be obliged to do good things. Imbis na magnakaw ng magnakaw, diba, gagawa ng korupsyon o kalokohan, they will stop doing this. Kasi meron nang meron nang batas na nagpapahinto dito. Kasi pag hindi, ipapiring squad ka. Kung ako lang ang masusunod doon kay ipapiring squad sa Luneta, di ba? Para makita ng taong bayan kung sino yung gumagawa ng kalokohan. I'm a Roman Catholic by birth. I respect the church. Every Sunday I go to church. But sabi ko, I think we have to put this in our country. Kailangan para tumina yung bansa natin. Kung hindi, kawawa po tayo, mami. We are left behind, lagging down to other countries. Just imagine, even the poorest of the poorest country, dinakpasan na tayo. Sa totoo lang, mayaman yung bansa natin But because of these things na nangyayari sa ating bansa, na hindi diretso, halos lahat na lang po Sabi ko, it's about time. It's about time.